Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review P47 wireless Bluetooth headset. I purchased it from Glow Road app and it was very cheap. It costs me only 250 rupees for this Bluetooth headset. The box is damaged due lack of proper packaging. Let's open the box and find out if the headphone is intact or not. Headset seems okay. The manual is damaged and it comes with a micro USB power cable for charging. The headphone can be folded to save space. Build quality is okay. Not so good, but I won't complain considering the price. The cushion foam is quite soft, so it would be comfortable to the ears. Here, we have the control panel for this headphone. It supports hands-free Bluetooth calling, which is great at this price. It comes with FM radio too. By pressing the M button, you can switch between FM and Bluetooth mode. The length of the headset can be adjusted like this. It has a micro SD card slot here. You can load MP3 songs in micro SD card and play music through it. It can be used as a wired headphone too using O cable. This thing is feature-packed. We can receive calls by pressing the middle button. It will also work as play-pause button. We can change music forward or backward by pressing the side buttons. Here you can see music track is being changed in the mobile as I am pressing this buttons. Long pressing this button will act as volume controller. Mobile will recognize it as P47 and it shows battery levels too. Audio quality is decent. Considering the price, it is quite good. Although sound gets distorted at full volume, but it is quite loud, so 50% volume is enough for regular use. I would rate it 6 out of 10. It takes 2 hours to get fully charged. I got 4 hours of battery backup at 50% volume. Overall a great package at this price point. If you want a cheap Bluetooth headset, then you can go for this.